This is the wish.com aerial.
Part of your world. Oh, my back. You, Walt Disney. Part of this world. Okay, here we are at Cape Leeuwin Lighthouse. This is a meeting point of both the Southern and Indian Oceans. To the south, you've got Antarctica. To the west, Africa. Ooh. Before we left Montreal, I was just curious to see, like, is Perth really the antipodal point from Montreal? And it pretty much is. Like, in terms of a city, it's 18,300 kilometers, so there's no city more further away from Montreal than Perth. But if you were to actually drill a hole from Montreal straight down, clear across the earth, you would end up in the Indian Ocean just off the southwest coast of Australia, which is where we are. If you're referring to land, we're at the closest antipodal land spot from Montreal right now. Indian Ocean. Southern Ocean.
Should do Indian Ocean.
Yeah. Here at the Northcliffe Bush campsite.
Bye, campsite.
$10 a night here at Northcliffe Bush Camp. There's running water, running rainwater, solar power, kitchen, flushing toilets,
And
$10.
solar powered hot water. And really quirky shower and toilet, which you can see there.
Susie's gonna get her first rain shower forever since we've been at Perth.
Ooh, leather works.
Do you want a leather knapsack?
Oh yeah, actually I do.
Here at the Greens Pool. Impressive rock formation. You made it. There it goes. Floating around. I guess that's the Southern Ocean now. And it just goes through these stone channels. Many different rock formations, different shapes, different sizes, including those ones over there that look like dead.
Oh, they're alpacas.
Long necks. Well, after 2.5 hours of driving and making little stopovers along the way in Denmark and the Elephant Rocks, we finally arrived here in Albany, not New York, Albany, Australia. And we've checked into the 6 Degrees accommodation, a restaurant, bar, music venue. And as you can hear, sound check for a show tonight. But we've made it.
And it's cold as.
And it feels like New Zealand. It's like we're back in Christchurch. Look at me, I'm wearing a jumper. I thought this was Australia. We got so spoiled living this insular life in Perth where every day is sunny and it's anywhere between 25 to 35 degrees. I don't know how we survived 3.5 years in New Zealand and how I survived 32 years in Canada. I'm gonna have to get used to cold, gray, wet weather and all that. So here we are, Albany, Australia.